If you've ever opened a project in GIMP and noticed that yellow and black dashed border around your image, don't worry. You are not seeing a mistake in your artwork. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the yellow selection or boundary line in GIMP, and I'll also explain what it means so you know whether you should hide it or expand your layer instead. This is a quick but important fix, especially if you want a cleaner workspace while editing. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, it helps to understand what this yellow border actually is. In most cases, this is not a selection that will print or export with your image. It is usually the layer boundary indicator, which shows the edges of your active layer inside the canvas. So if you're worried that it will appear in your final file, it won't. GIMP is just showing you the limits of the layer you are currently working on. Now, if you simply want to hide that yellow border so your workspace looks cleaner, the easiest method is to use the View menu at the top of GIMP. Go up to View, then look for the option called Show Layer Boundary. If it has a check mark beside it, click it once to uncheck it. As soon as you do that, the yellow dash border will disappear from your screen. This is the fastest solution if you just want to remove the distraction while editing. And the great thing is, it is completely reversible. If you ever want to see the layer boundary again, just go back to View and turn Show Layer Boundary back on. That means you can toggle it on and off anytime depending on your workflow. Now, if the border is showing because your layer is actually smaller than the full canvas and you want the layer to stretch all the way to the edges, then you may want to expand the layer instead of just hiding the line. To do that, go to your Layers panel and make sure the correct layer is selected. Once it's active, head up to the top menu and click Layer, then choose Layer to Image Size. When you use Layer to Image Size, GIMP expands the selected layer so it matches the full size of the canvas. This can be especially useful if you're compositing images, adding text, or working on designs where you want the layer to cover the entire document. After doing this, the layer boundary will align with the image size, which can make editing much easier. So just to recap, if you want the yellow border gone quickly, go to View and uncheck Show Layer Boundary. If you want to change the layer itself so it fills the canvas, select the layer and use Layer to Image Size. Both methods are useful, but they solve slightly different problems. A helpful tip: if you're working on multiple projects in GIMP, don't confuse the layer boundary with an actual selection outline. A selection usually has the moving dotted line effect, while the layer boundary is a static yellow and black dashed border. Knowing the difference can save you a lot of time when troubleshooting your layout. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know you want more simple GIMP guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.